Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello traders. We are back with another video analysis for the DXY gold and DXY and XAUUSD gold. So first of all, before starting this video, I'm going to talk about the fundamentals that we are going to face today. So we have very important news on Wednesday, September 13th. We have core CPI monthly and CPI yearly. So these are the most important news of the week. So according to this, we can see a huge volatility in the market. So first of all, if we discuss about the DXY, let me just remove all the. Alright, so if we talk about DXY weekly chart here. So if you have seen my previous video, I have shared my point of view with you many times. So that's not an issue. We will discuss that again. Just give me a second. Alright, so if we first of all talk about the DXY weekly chart, we can see here that we have a falling wedge pattern right now here. So it has break out the upper trend line and it's now going to retest it, then it's going to buy. And the second confirmation for the retest is, if you can see here, the weekly chart is making a strong bearish candle, so it's the indication that this week it's going to make a retest. After that it's going in buy. After that, if we say let's move in the daily time frame here, we can see that we have a Elliott wave right now here. So if we say that this here it's a first wave, second wave, and at this area it has made the third wave, fourth and fifth wave at this point. So it has completed the fifth wave right now, and after completing the fifth wave at this point, as I told you that this is our first, second, third, fourth, fifth. After completing the fifth wave right now at this area, it is making a corrective wave that is completed at the same area of the fourth impulsive wave. So after that, it's going to fall down at least at this area. It will first complete this retest, and the second thing is that it will fall down to complete its B corrective wave, and after that it's going in buy. So that's the analysis for the DXY in the daily time frame. If we move in the H4 time frame, alright, so in the H4 time frame, as you can see here, that we have a divergence here, and the second thing is, just give me a second, this trend line. So at least it's going to fall to this trend line, and if it's going to break this area, then it's after retesting it's going to fall down again. So there is in the H4 time frame we have again the possibility that the DXY is going to fall. Second thing here is if you can see here that we have a wedge pattern here with the breakout and the retest. So after retesting, it has completed the retracement, and now it's going to fall down. So another possibility for the sale. And if we see at the Elliott wave, we can say that this is our first, second, third, fourth, and fifth wave. It has completed the fifth wave in the shape of bullish channel, and that trend is now reversed. And if you can see here that it was continuously the higher highs and the higher lows, but at this point it has started making the lower lows and the lower highs, so the trend is now reversed. So this is another confirmation that the DXY is going to fall down. So let's head towards the H1 time frame. Let's see what we have here. Let me check the Fibonacci's and the moving averages as well. Sorry. So yeah, nothing in the H1. Let me set it to 200. Alright, so in H4 time frame, the moving average 200 is around this area, and as you can see, this is the strong support area. So DXY, according to me, is going to fall down. And second thing we have here is impulse, correction, and impulse. So another thing for the that is in the favor of sale. Alright, so nothing special in here is. So you can say that this is the impulse. Just 1 second. Impulse A, B, C correction, then it's going to fall down. And yes, that's all. Breakout of the lower trend line and the retracement. This area is good. The DXY can fall from this area as well. Alright, so now let's move towards the XAUUSD gold daily time frame. Or let's start with the weekly. First of all, we have triple top. After that, nothing special here. And let's move towards the daily. Alright, so according to me, this is the first wave, and it's now making its second. It's the second wave. Now it's making the third wave. As you can see here, that it has started rejecting from the Fibonacci 61.80%, and this is. Just give me seconds. Alright, so this area is around 50% of the Fibonacci, and it completed its second wave at 50% of the Fibonacci area. So we can say that this is the first, second, now it's going to make its third wave, fourth wave, and fifth wave. That movement is going to be like this. In H4, the things got changed a little bit. First of all, if we talk about the RSI, any moving average. As you can see here, that the RSI is in the upward direction, but the market is in the lower direction. So we can say that we have the buying divergence right here. And the second thing here is let me just put. Alright, so we can say that this is the good Fibonacci area as well, 61.80%. But if it's break this, then it's going in buy till from the 1899. So there are two possibilities: either it's going to buy up from this area, or it's going buy from this area. But the stronger possibility is that it's going to buy in from this area, that because it is the previous strong support area, and we can say that this is also our demand zone. Alright, so now let's check the EMA as well. Alright, so somewhere before the CPI or after the CPI, we can see that the market is going till this area, that is around 1925 to 1927. Then it's going to fall down again. So don't enter blindly right now. Wait for the confirmation. If you see any confirmation for the bullish around this area or this area, then enter. Otherwise, you don't need to rush into the market. So after the H4 time frame, that's we are in the H1 time frame. So first of all, as you can see here, that the area is the support, making it supports. But in the RSI, we have a buying divergence in the H4 time frame as well. And as you can see here, that this area is selling, but in RSI it is in the buy. So we have the strong divergence in the bearish and the in the long time frame and the short time frame as well. So let's remove the indicators. So according to me, this is A, B, and it's going to make it C wave around somewhere 1920 level, and this is also our support area. So it's going in buy before the news, and then it's going to fall down. So the impulse will be completed after the news. So as you all know that not everybody is perfect. I can be wrong also, but my signals and my premium channel always work out. So if you want to join our premium channel, contact us on Telegram if you want signals with the proper SL and the TB, and you can also manage your account with us. So for any details, you can visit us on our Telegram channel. So this is the technical analysis for today before CPI news. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you have any confusion, you can contact us on Telegram as well. Feel free to contact. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.